still warming up here with our new sous chef, Cody Rickman.
Okay. At this point, I almost just died from boredom. Throw your hands at the side of the water, throw your hands in the air, in the atmosphere. It's the year where the one wish in the panda bear. Well, I got voodoo, hexes, and magic spells. I was talking about a devil, bitch, I'm back from hell. You gotta smack yourself. Anything that you can fuck with me, the system up or down. I rage against like a sheep. What is it? Well, you saw me hustle. I hit blocks to get toys like the Mario Brothers. You already know it's over if you started to doubt me. I'm a bigger asshole than Charles Bukowski. Yo, I'm gonna talk about that light green bud. Popping in the twisted metal ice cream truck with the high beams on. Demon bitch, check it's the misfit. And know it all kinda like I was back to Lipschitz. Still repeating some on the microphone. I remember the jumping off the moment in the tiny nose. I didn't like it's all a lot of things. It's like I'm supposed to jump the bottom line. I just even like I do blow. That's 74 rappers to lie, they go, guarantee my burgers will stain. Yo, feel like the Sugar Hill Gang, yo, to East Bay Soup Kitchen. You need to motherfucking take a seat up on the stoop, listen while we get the true ticket. By the fucking few bitches, and then go make them do dishes. Yo, when I take gloves off, I'm not gonna lose. You know why? Cause I ain't got socks and shoes. That's how I got to do when I rock the blues. But yo, I'm the motherfucking truth, and I got the proof and the credentials. Not only that, I'm coming off at the top of the dome piece and these space instrumentals. Soul and shit, son. I judge a microphone and I blow the strings. So put your hands in the air, in the atmosphere. It's the year of the one was in the panda beer. So now get down, have an early time tonight because tonight we got to party like it's 1999 and I'm a soul man. I ain't nothing but a love machine and I'm only functioning to give the ladies what they need. I got 2 turntables in a microwave and rhymes that fit both time and space. I set fire to the entire place and then I finally came to hideaway and hibernate. Yo, they asked me if I had got more. I said, hell yeah, about to kick it out. Felt the year where the one was in the panda bear. The year was the one was in the panda bear. To get down, have an early time tonight because tonight we got the party like it's 1999. I'm on a yellow submarine and I live in a fucking pineapple under the sea.
Good.
right. You sound a badass.
That's my new soup for y'all.
Woo!
Get lots